from the beginnings of an IMF program, an economy that allowed us to initiate the program Planting for Food and Jobs.
Good.
A program which was happened in April of 2017. I believe so. I think it's April of 2017. Agriculture Minister, baby. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But I believe it was April that we went to Boso.
April.
Yes.
April. 2017. April.
There's an April Boso no.
3 months after I came to office.
2017.
2017.
Good.
In August 2017, we launched the free SHS program. Oh, then there's also the
1D1F.
1D1F program. These key flagship programs of our manifesto, of our policy, all of them launched in the first year of our program. We were under an IMF program right until 2019. But this man was able to organize the management of our economy in such a way that not only were we able to roll out all these programs in that first year and subsequent years, but our economy's growth was spectacular. And then maybe for convenience sake, one in Kai. Says, I can't say Ghana for any Kai. Now, so somebody who has been able to do that, now feels so why would I say that? How do I do that? How do I do that? What would be the basis? What is the rationale? Sanka ebia bitwa ka say first time no crown no adwuma o no so ania. That's the format now. And so ania ka say Sanka me repeating no for my second term. I repeated him for my second term. Like some of the senior ministers of my government, the agriculture minister is behind me, the roads minister is here, the trade minister is there. These are some of the major pillars of my government. For me, their performance in my first term was excellent. Let me use that word, excellent. And that is why I had very little difficulty. Look at what has happened in our agriculture. That through all of these, in semi-Ekobenyinano, there is no shortage of food in Ghana. That's not the case everywhere. There are plenty of countries in our area, beyond the wider world, where food is a big problem. Yes, the prices of food stuffs have gone up a lot, but the supply, the availability. How are you going to say that a minister of agriculture who's able to manage things so that his basic, that's his title, Minister of Food and Agriculture. That the basic mandate he has, he's carrying it out well. Then you're going to back and say, oh, you go to the Trade and Industry Minister. Today we're talking about this 1D1F. The numbers of industries, factories that are growing up all over Ghana. There are about 290 enterprises that are on the table, of which about 120, 130.
290?
Yeah, as projected, of which about 120, 130 have been realized. Apart from that, these developments that have taken place in the automobile industry, Nissan, Volkswagen, Toyota are now assembling and producing cars here in Ghana. New plan crying there, as someone who was sent me cry no crowds of the Nigeria to whom about the Pequaya and also crowds and then also which me about markets.
It's all permanent.
What would be the basis? I mean, you give people a job. If they can't do it, yes, you remove them. But if they can perform, why would you want to get rid of them? Roads. I don't think there's been a road minister who has a record like Osiamo Akwata. Yeah, he may be here, and I'll say it anywhere. There's nobody. I want anybody to come and tell me what road minister in our country has put together the package of roads that Kwesi Amoah-Quanta has produced in these 6 years that we've been in office.
And
unprecedented.
Nanso, Omafo Kwabre, Manso, and an important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but when it so because Yentiminia Kwani now at one stage. I'm sorry to have to say. Then yes, as a maker said, nature say, Obi dear here, sing Obi, Obia dear here. But at the same time, see, you seek a some so tino. And Manibani said, Yentiminia Kwani at one go.
Good.
Maybe buy Ghana for the Bibedina there, Yura Mahama. When you say expression, or say infrastructure development in his time was unprecedented.
Unprecedented, yeah.
Remember, very soon after me buying them, just here call round. See, I want to bring a certain new dimension to governance in Ghana. And my who say, yes, but the Mako could say, Ghana being your Kuya so. Then so no, mean to me, my office all the time. Let me show the cause. I said, Miss you, ma'am.
Uchini na ohwede ekoso
na nkofo so tumi nya koma che se woni make
idinkomo
ni ehwede ekoso bebia meko besine ekwan ne da ko bi obiano everybody is complaining about roads. So it became obvious to me. So they can't change.
There's unprecedented, no? Who said,
no correct. Into me because of what? So penny musa. So because
no correct no boy the same.
Well, they're not the same. Tree kasamu there. Tree kasamu bakumu. Yeah, but you have these things. I sent a memoir. The number of road projects that have been completed, 86 projects.
Wow.
Involving 1,850 kilometers of roads. Asphalted, reconstructed, repaved, etc. in this period. And then there's still another 310 projects which have been awarded and ongoing, which is going to bring into the basket another what? 3 Now, the process I'm making, 2015, AY3KA program, Uche Hubibi.
Yes,
sorry, I need to say, IMF program. This has not been the case this time.
Good.
It has been a lot of public involvement, input into the program. And I'm hoping, sir, as a result, what will come out finally with the fund, is something that the people of Ghana can get behind and support so that we can go ahead.
Well, Finance Minister, what is so special about him?
Oh, I came to office in 2017.
Good.
Under an IMF program, which Emma Nubaden said, stringent program. This same man was able to manage the affairs of our economy in such a way, sir. The first 4 years of my first term, we were one of the fastest growing economies in the world, an average growth rate of 7% a year from the beginnings of an IMF program, an economy that allowed us to initiate the program Planting for Food and Jobs.
Good.
A program which was happened in